Let me show you how I make my birthday party sticker favorite labels. This is a lemonade theme, lemon theme. So we're going to go ahead and start with our chip bag, which we already made. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, I start with my chip bag and then I just copy and paste to my other party favorite labels. The next one that I'll be doing is going to be a welcome sign. Then we have an invitation. We have a juice pouch. We have a round circle. We have our water bottle label. And this is our gable box label. I usually use the same theme. I just delete and then I just paste. So we're going to go ahead and start with our lemonade theme right here. I start usually getting my background pattern. I copy, and then I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in all of them. Paste, and it's automatically just going to paste on all the backgrounds. And paste, paste right here. I'm going to be deleting this. This is from the previous theme. And then I'm going to paste right here. This is my water bottle label, and this is my last one. Paste right there. So once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and copy my frame, my arch frame. We're going to go ahead and copy, and we're going to paste it right here. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and delete these. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paste again right here. More or less, I'm going to put it the same place I have this other one, which I am going to delete. I go to positions, I go to layers, and then I'm going to bring this to the back and delete this one that I had in the front. And there it is. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get my text. So I'm going to go ahead and get this, copy it, and paste it. And I'm just going to put it down here, center it, bring it a little bit down. And I'm going to change this welcome to, I'm going to change the color. And there it is. Now you bring out your elements. So I'm going to copy and paste right here. My bow is going to go up here. Center it. I might need to bring this down or bring it to the front. Let's see. Let's try bringing it to the front and let's see how it is. And it says right here, bring to front. And there it is. Let's go ahead and bring our elements. I'm going to go ahead and use these images that I did get from Canva. I searched lemonade and then I just grabbed some of those elements. And let's go ahead and place them right here. You bring them a little bit down, right there. Let me see. I think they need a little bit more, right there. These, we might need to make them smaller. The font, let's go ahead and make it smaller, the text, I mean. And this is our welcome sign. Let's go ahead and bring this one a little bit down. That is centered. Let's make sure our other text is centered. We're going to go align, center it, align, center it, and this one, align and center right here. So this is our welcome sign. That's going to be an 8.5 by 11. Now our next one is going to be our juice pouch. So with our juice pouch, we're going to go ahead and bring, oh no, we're doing our invitation. Sorry, we're doing our invitation. We're going to go ahead and, oops. We're going to go ahead and delete this text. This is from our previous theme. And then we're just going to go ahead and bring in this frame and paste it right here. We're going to go ahead and make it smaller. Place it right here. Adjust the size. Let's go to positions. And then we're going to go ahead and bring this one to the back. And this one, we're going to delete it. And there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and change also the color of the text. And then we're going to go ahead and bring our name and birth date, copy and paste it. Let's adjust the size right here. Let's bring this a little bit over and I'm going to change this one to this color. Let's go bring some of our elements to this page. Oh, wait. Okay, no, we're doing the wrong one. Okay, sorry again. I keep on going to the juice pouch. We are working on our invitation. We place our bow, bring this to the front right here, and then we're going to add some elements right here. Let's go ahead and bring some of our drinks, and we're going to place this one right here. Make it a little bit smaller so it fits in here. Will that work? Let me see if I flip it. No. Okay, smaller, that's fine. There it is. So now we're going to go ahead. Let me see if there's other elements I could use. I go here. This is the creator of these elements. I'm going to click on her. Then I'm going to go right here. And then I'm just going to put lemon. Lemon. And it's going to give me all the lemons. So I'm going to choose, I had seen a piece of pie. Let me see if I could find it. Okay, so I'm not finding, oh, this is a cute one. This is perfect. This is a cupcake, lemon cupcake. I'm going to go ahead and place this one right here. Okay, I'm sorry, here. So I placed this lemon cupcake, and I'm going to place it right here. There it is. And then I am going to go ahead and choose some lemons we have right here. Copy and then paste them right here. Paste. So I'm going to go ahead and place it right here. So this is our invitation. Here, you could change the text, what time, the date. This is just an example. And then we're going to go ahead and do our next one, which this one is now the juice pouch. Let's go ahead and bring our frame and paste it. Let's adjust the size right here. We're going to go ahead and bring this one to the back, delete this one, change our color of our text, bring in our name and birthday, copy it and bring it to this page. Let's adjust our size. Oops, it's separated. And let's place them right here. Center it. And then we're going to go ahead and bring our images. And we can use the same ones we've been using right here. And then we're just going to select everything. We could group it and then copy and paste it. Right here fits perfectly. Right there. So this is our thank you for celebrating, and then it's a juice pouch. We're going to go ahead and just copy and paste because we're going over here to our circle. We're going to go ahead and change this text and place our text right here. Center it. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and bring our images. And I like this cupcake. Where is it? I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right here. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and get one of the drinks. And let's place this one right here. Let me go ahead and flip it. And it should go right here. Let me go ahead and flip it again. I want to see the straw. Right there. So there is our round circle sticker label. I create these as stickers. Let me go ahead here and there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and do this one. Let's go ahead and copy our text. And now we're going to be working on our chip bag. And we're going to go ahead and paste it right here. And we find our other elements that are going to go on each side. Let me go ahead and I'm going to get this lemon, copy it, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it right here. And let me see what else shall we get. Let me take away the transparency on this right there. And we're going to choose our other elements. Let's go ahead and bring this one, copy, paste it. And I don't like this one because it has the straw, and the straw like blends in too much with this. Let me go ahead and get this one and paste it right here. And there it is. And then let's bring this cake and place it right here. Right there. This is our water bottle label. We're going to go ahead and do the same. Let's go ahead and just copy all of this. And we're going to go ahead and paste it. Make it bigger so it fits right here. Let me see this one right there. And we need to make this one. Let's go ahead and center this. And let's go ahead. Here we go. And then this one a little bit bigger. And there it is. So we are already done with our Party Sticker Favorite Label Bundle Lemonade theme. And here is our chip bag. This is our chip bag. It's an 8.5 by 11. We have our welcome sign, which is the same size, printed out on an 8.5 by 11 page. We have our invitation, that is a 5 by 7. You also could print 2 in one page. We have our juice pouch, which is a 3.5 by 5, and you could place 4 of these in a page, letter size page. We have our round circle, and this one you could place, if you do a 2-inch, then you could place 12 in one page. We have our water label. This one fits about 4 or 5, I believe. At least 4. Yeah, 4 fit. depending how you are placing them, horizontal or vertically. And this is our favor box label, which is 6.25 by 3.5. And these, I believe you could place 3 on one page. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this bundle, go ahead, check out our website. I do print and ship. Print and ship. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out my website. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on our next video. Go ahead and comment, leave me a like, and don't forget to follow.